babes. Pulling into our driveway for the first time. Ah!
It's the first time we park here. We always park like, you know, down the park.
All the way at the end of the driveway or the street. Let's go. Welcome home, babe. Wow.
Hello. So by the time you guys are seeing this, we already have the house and we closed on the house. Right now we are still under contract and we've done the, what was it called, the last thing we did?
Did the home inspection.
And we're just waiting for like little things, but we are on our way to price out the kitchen, which is one of our biggest things that we need to get done. So we're gonna go, this is the first time we're going to do this, so I don't even know what to expect. I'm a little nervous.
At this point, what we're doing is exploring our options. We know we're gonna reno the kitchen and seeing, you know, what's best, because we've seen like those RTA cabinets, ready to assemble cabinets,
Yes.
pre-made cabinets.
Yeah,
So obviously we're trying to stay on budget, and we're gonna explore all our options. So right now we're gonna go to a cabinet shop, local, and get some quotes. We're gonna try to get at least 3, maybe 4 quotes before we decide who we go with.
Yeah, and then while we're doing this, we're also waiting on numbers for the flooring, for painting. We still have to decide on door, for the front door, and so much going on. But we're excited. Like I said, this is the first time we're going to price out the kitchen and like see what our kitchen is going to be looking like, I guess. Kind of get a preview. I'm excited, but I am nervous. Okay, so we are at, where are we? Lowe's? Home Depot. Trying to also get prices here to see our options. The first place that we went to, we're still waiting for pricing, but here they have a lot more options, right?
Yes, here they have a lot of options. And probably more affordable. The one we went to was like more custom.
Yeah.
But this one here, I think we can possibly get a better bang for our buck.
So much. Too much for one day.
Yeah.
Alright, so are we done? I'm ready.
No, girl, we gotta go see hardware, kitchen hardware. We haven't even got an idea for the bathroom yet.
Okay, so let's get to it. These are all the options. I really like this.
Where would you put that ugly tile?
In the shower, no?
Should we just hire a designer?
This is...
But the people have been very helpful. Even Sharon here at the Home Depot.
Yeah, she's been amazing. Right, this is what we agreed on so far.
I like this one so much better. A little wider, I like the shape of it.
Okay. Alright, I don't think we're going to like pick one today.
No, we're not gonna pick nothing. I just want me and you to be on the same, to see if we're gonna be like on the same page, I guess. Obviously we know we're not gonna pick it today.
I don't think we're going to be on the same page. I feel like this is going to be a process. But
I don't think we're too far off. I think we have similar tastes.
okay, look. I really like this.
I really hate it. No, you're not being serious.
No, I'm serious. I really like that.
Oh, I really hate that.
Alright, so we'll just have to come back to this another time. Alright, see, I love this.
Yes, but that's not the right shade. It's close.
It's like a darker gold, right?
That one is too bright.
Okay, so the one that we need is a darker gold. The gold right there. The whole thing, I love that.
We're doing gold in the bathroom also?
Yeah. Those are nice.
We're online only.
How much though? It doesn't even say the price.
Online only.
That's
girl.
scary.
No. But
If
good,
it doesn't
good.
say the price,
A
you
good-
know that's.
A good faucet is probably $300 and up.
Oh, I was just gonna say I saw one for $80, and I was like, that's amazing.
I need you to get that out of your mind right now. Out of your mind.
$300 for a faucet? Is it like touch
I don't know if it's all that, but
for $300?
it's flashing, so it's recording, right?
Yes.
This
You
thing.
see when the red thing is.
Oh, there we go. All right, I started. All right. We are in Flooring Decor. Oh, you gotta get in the shot. You gotta get like an extension for mine. You're so small. I'm gonna just chop you up. So we're in Flooring Decor. We are looking for inspo flooring.
It's tracking your face. That's why.
Oh,
it's kind
and
of...
then my height. You're down here.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're in Flooring Decor.
That's so not nice. It's so bad.
We're in Flooring Decor looking for inspo flooring ideas, family, everything.
I'm not like that.
No? Well, guys,
That's so busy.
it is. But that's what I'm saying. We have one guest bath. Let's do something bold.
Not
Okay.
that.
Too much?
That is way too much. Take it.
Okay. I like this thing.
Put it from the bottom. Let's put it. Yeah.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
similar.
Wow. It's very similar. Like color,
Yep.
tones, all of that. It's pretty much the same. So, I love it.
Yeah.
Do we like the price?
I love the price.
Oh, okay. I thought you were gonna be like, I don't like that. Okay, so I think we have the tiles for the bathroom, and I think we also found the one for the kitchen. So now we are going to pick the floors, and we want to go with white oak, right, babe?
Yes.
White oak. We're gonna go with white oak. I love that actually. This is perfect.
This is what we want.
Yes,
You know?
this is it. Okay, look. So you have all the colors there. I think that's like a better. Which one?
I'm gonna pick one.
Okay. That you think is oak, and I'm gonna pick the one I think it's oak.
Okay. So
Okay.
I'm gonna turn around. You're gonna point to the camera and you're gonna show it,
Okay.
and then you're gonna give me the camera. And I'm gonna
I think this one.
To me, oak, guys. I think this is oak. Did she pick this one? All right, turn around, babes. Which one did you pick?
Let's say it at the same time. Ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3. You picked that one?
Yes, I picked the second
I picked this one. All right. So now we've arrived to Home Depot because we could not agree on the flooring.
No, we did not agree on the flooring.
Home Depot?
Because your oak is different.
I think she's colorblind, guys.
No, you are colorblind.
All right, guys. So we're looking at this stuff here from Home Depot. It is a 12 millimeter. Oh my goodness! Why you guys can't see? There we go. You guys can see it is a. This is what we're looking at. 12 millimeter laminate wood flooring. Apparently waterproof, severe scratch resistant. The underlayment comes attached. Click and lock. Limited lifetime. 10-year commercial warranty. You know, I want it to be able to take a beating. And what's important to me is that it's 100% waterproof. And I've heard so many things on YouTube saying that none of them are waterproof, blah, 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 but I don't know. They're claiming it's waterproof. So we have decided on, if you guys can read it, I don't know if it's coming up on the camera, King's Cottage. That's the color me and Sandra think that we want to go with. And the ones here, I honestly think is probably the best one, honestly. But let's see. All right, let's catch up to Sandra. See what she's up to. What's up, guys? We're back.
We are on our way back home, but we're gonna recap what we did today, what we found, what we think we're gonna go with, and what we're still looking for.
Yeah.
So
We haven't nailed down the floors just yet. I thought we had it nailed down. Not just yet. You know, the problem is with Home Depot that the lighting in there sucks.
it really does. What we thought was going to be the floor when we asked for like a sample and we looked at it, it looked way too white. We were like, maybe not.
Yeah.
So
so that's still not nailed down.
no.
But we do have, I think, backsplash for the kitchen and all the tiling for our main bath done.
We're not 100% sure about what the shower floor is gonna be like. We have a few options. We have 2 options, but we're not like 100% on either one of them. So that is a maybe.
So this is news. Guys, you're learning as I am, because I thought we had it nailed down.
We took a picture of 2 different ones. So
also we stopped by Sherwin-Williams. I think we got the paint down.
We got
That's good.
We got it down packed. That was easy.
Yeah, that was quick.
That
and
was an easy stop.
We did stop by a door place because we want to change our front door. That's also still gotta do some.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to be happy with the option that they gave us
there. All right, we still gotta do some homework on that.
Yeah.
So now we are deciding on dinner, and so we narrowed it down. Dinner. This is a little sidebar, guys, just so you guys get a glimpse of what it is living with this lovely woman.
Please.
Peruvian to get some ceviche.
Mexican
food or Chinese food? How are we gonna pick, babes? Really? Let's go. Give me this.
So the thing is, it's really hard for me to pick. I am, what is that called? I am very indecisive. I can never like pick. I would want somebody to help me pick. So I said to him, I'm like, you have to say stop, and in my head I'm gonna like say all the restaurants. I'm gonna be like Chinese, Peruvian, Mexican, Chinese, Peruvian restaurant, Mexican, and then when he says stop, whatever word I'm saying when he says stop is going to be the one.
So you're gonna be saying this in your head.
Yes.
And then I'm just gonna at some point say stop,
and then I'm going to tell you what I was saying in my head.
Let's go. Tell me when you're
all right.
Go ahead.
Wait, you can start. Okay, hold on. Ready? And go.
Stop.
I was saying Peruvian food.
Peruvian food it is, I guess.
Yes. So the next update, hopefully, will be once we have the house and once we close. Hopefully or no?
We're going to see you guys. Well, we don't know we're going to upload this.
No, we're uploading this after we get the house. Like
after closing.
Yes. I feel like it'll be better. Once we get the house, we can just upload this and you guys can see it all. And by the time you guys see this, hopefully we will nail down the floor. We'll have the paint done, the trim, and all that stuff. Hopefully.
All right, cool. Guys.
And if not, they'll suck.
Peace. See you guys soon.